All varieties of barley malt will contain some grainy aromatics as the signature of beer, and maltsters can change malting conditions to vary the amount of this aroma. Brewers can affect how much grain aroma is carried into the beer by adjusting recipe parameters. This would typically be considered a positive aromatic unless the brewer doesn't intend it to be in the finished beer. Isobutyraldehyde arises from the use of pale malts and by certain brewhouse procedures such as over-sparging during wort runoff into the kettle. Isobutyraldehyde is naturally occurring in grain husks. Grainy compounds are extracted from grain due to a very fine grind, excessive sparging, or very long mashes. Grainy aromas can be affected by malting techniques and will vary from one brand of malt to another, allowing brewers to choose how much of this aroma and flavor their beer will feature. Control of grainy aromatics in brewing relies on correct crushing or milling of grains, and use of appropriate mashing and sparging protocols to control the extraction of this aroma. Brewers should maintain wort and sparge pH in the range of 5.2 to 5.6 and stop wort collection at about 2 degrees Plato.